and the latest hits on Melbourne's 979 FM.
At Monty's Kitchen Cabinets, we are there from the quote to the install. We do everything from kitchens, built-in wardrobes, vanity units, desks, bars, laundry cabinets and glass splashbacks. For your free, no obligation quote, call Stephen on 0413 958 352 today. Winners of the 2017 and 2018 Venture Business Melton Excellence Awards. Monty's Kitchen Cabinets, proud sponsors of 979 FM.
This is a 979 FM Community Diary.
Sons of the West is a free health program for men aged 18 and over. The program is delivered by Melton City Council in conjunction with the Western Bulldogs Community Foundation. Throughout the 10 weeks, participants will meet a range of experts who discuss topics related to physical and mental well-being. Along with lots of information provided each week, participants have the opportunity to put their runners on, get active and have some fun. Qualified professionals are on hand to ensure support is available for men of all fitness levels. The program is a great way for men to learn ways to improve their health, meet other men in the community and have some fun and a few laughs at the same time. Sons of the West is not really for fitness fanatics and sports stars. It's for all men to come together to learn tips and tricks to leading a healthier and more active lifestyle. Sons of the West is a free 10-week program commencing on Tuesday the 17th of March at Taylors Hill Community Centre, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m, and Thursday the 19th of March at Arnold's Creek Community Centre, 4:30 to 6:30 and 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. For more information or to enrol, please contact Leanne Christie at Melton City Council on 9747 7200.
The 979 FM Community Diary. Simply email details to communitydiary@979fm.com.au or post to PO Box 979 Melton, Victoria 3337. Become a volunteer or announcer at 979 FM by emailing info@979fm.com.au, writing to PO Box 979 Melton 3337 or calling 9747 0450 during business hours. 979 FM.
Hey, I'm Nellie Picato.
Hi, we're the Bengals.
Hey, this is Maddie Borat.
This is John Mayer.
The home of the West's best stereo.
Ayan, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, mga ka-good vibes. Isa naman pong matinding gabi ngayong weekend. Ito po ay recording for Thursday from 8 to 10 p.m. on the 22nd of October 2020 sa 97.9 FM Filipino Aussie program Good Vibes Pilipinas. Boom! Ito po ang inyong Papi Melvin Mata kasama si...
Siyempre, ako na naman po ang inyong Mayora Mered Safra. Bumabati ng magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta na kayo? Kumusta ka na, Papi?
Eto, sa awa ng Diyos, nagpagupit na. 3 months na naka-lockdown ng aking buhok eh.
Pero ngayon.
Oo. Buti ngayon, pwede na ako mag-spray net ulit. Ha?
Kumusta naman ang pila nung nagpagupit ka? Balita ako mahaba.
Mahabang pila, buti na lang maaga tayong lumalabas sa trabaho at may chance tayo nakipag-unahan sa mga kapwa natin, mga long hairs. And ayun, syempre, ano pa rin tayo, ingat na kapag kahit ginugupitan, ano pa rin, mask. Tapos hindi ako pumayag na hindi pinalitan yung gunting, tsaka yung mga ano natin, di ba? Kaya yun. Siya nga pala, wala ngayon ang ating mga kasama. Get well soon, Bibo. Alam namin na medyo busy ka.
Masyado kasing masipag yan si Bibo. Bibo, magpagaling ka ha, para makasama ka namin ulit. Siyempre, namimiss din natin si Papa George.
Papa George at si Mai.
Medyo busy lang sila ngayon, kaya wala sila ngayong gabi.
Oo nga. Siya nga pala, shout out sa mga andyan, sa mga ating mga grupo, Facebook groups, yan sa Pinoy in Melbourne. Yan sa mga Gippsland group ng Filipino-Australians, pati na rin dyan sa Batu, Camarines Sur. Okay? Pati na rin dyan sa mga local Pinoys in Melbourne, in Atherstone, and also in mga Filipino-Australians dito sa Melton community. And also yung nasa 97.9 FM, West's Best Stereo. Okay?
Yes, of course. Our friends from 979 FM, we miss you. We're looking forward to see you back in the station soon.
Yes. Oy, mayroon tayong isa-shoutout ngayon. Yan si Mac J. Sabi ni Mac J, kapanahunan ko yan. And Ashley Tamermra, hey, Hana. Maraming fans na itong ating guest ngayon, ha?
Ay, nako, oo, syempre pa. Nako, women power tayo ngayong gabi. Excited na ako makapanayam yung ating mga guests.
Tsaka mayroon pa na isa-shoutout yan, si Minyang ng Dubai, kasama si Meryl. Present kayo dyan, makasama natin yan sa ating Facebook friends ng Good Vibes Pilipinas.
Wow, thank you for your support.
Ay, siya nga pala, Mayora, abangan ko yung Friday interview mo, ha? Mukhang maganda yun.
Oo, nako si Mayora kung saan pumupunta. Ngayon naman, nasa Pinoy Lounge po si Mayora ngayong Friday. So, abangan po ninyo yan. Ang ating panayam with Julian ng Pinoy Lounge. Yes. At syempre, to promote our Filipino language classes and storytelling. So, abangan nyo po yan. Next Friday. At meron pa rin akong isang interview I did with the INC Media Org. So, ipapalabas na rin po yan. I'll share it with you once it's been published. Ayan.
And also ngayon, shout out sa 21 million na mga fans ngayon. Naka-online. Naka-viewers natin, 21 million mga kaibigan.
Yan si Mama. Mama, hi!
Yan. And also, we would like to greet a very happy 18th birthday kay Ate Marisa Vidal. Oo. So, happy 18th birthday sa iyo, Ate Marisa, ng Gawad Kalinga, Australia. Isang magiting na parang boses ng kababaihan dito sa Melbourne, Australia. Ayan.
Happy birthday, Senyora. Hoy, alam mo ba, ang yaya ko, gusto nang mag-resign, lilipat na daw siya kay Senyora Marisa.
Hoy, ganun ba? Nakakaingit naman yun pa.
Kasi mas social daw si Senyora na ngayon.
At yung mga sinabi, because I think hindi yun na record. O, kala ko, dami ko na. Ikaw pa naman, bilib na bilib ako sa mga ano mo, sa mga litanya mo. Talagang ang dami-dami agad niyan. Kung baga, typewriter, 1,000 words a minute, ha? So, ayan. Okay, it's done now. So, it's recording at the moment. Yan. And, ayun, continuous pa rin tayo. Alright. Okay. Oo nga.
This evening.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Ako.
Thank
Sino
you.
Sino bang gustong mag-umpisa? Hannah, can you tell us a little bit more about yourself na hindi natin nabanggit sa profile? Ano bang unique about you?
Well, what's unique about me is I always want to learn something about myself, especially we're in lockdown right now. There's nothing much to do like outdoor activities or something like that. I like to read a lot and reflect about myself. What else can I improve from, like this present experience? And yeah, I like to sing also as a Filipino. I have that. What else? Yeah, just normal, like watching, TV shows or movies. But yeah, that's about it.
Good. What about Lalaine? Can you tell us a little bit more about yourself naman na hindi
Yes.
natin nabanggit?
Basically, what I gave as a brief backgrounder is that's it. However, I would like to say something about how I chanced upon Hannah. Okay, it's actually for just a trivia. This is the first time we've met face to face.
What?
Yeah, actually, just like an hour ago.
Yeah, just an hour ago, we tried through Zoom, and that was our first time meeting face to face. We've been communicating. Hannah and I are actually we're born to be friends, and our relationship as writer and editor, hindi lang siya talagang writer and editor. I think we're gonna be good friends, and it's nice to know also that we have things in common, and also with Mayora, we're all teachers. We're writers, and it's nice to be here. Thank you for inviting us.
Okay. So wag na nating patagalin, Hana, no? Can you give us a little bit more information about your book? Ano ba ang title ng book mo? Ano bang inspirasyon mo for this book?
Okay, so I'll start with the title. It's called Unwanted Absence. So, meaning it's a feeling of losing the presence of someone you want to be there for you when you're feeling down. You want them to comfort you, or it could be that you want that someone to celebrate that achievements with you, to feel more achieved, but they can't be there. And yeah, about the book. Unwanted Absence is actually an inspirational book that aims to make us realize the importance of family values and beliefs. But yeah, not only that, it also gives us understanding how mental health is important for everybody. And yeah, it promotes family values because the story incorporates how all the characters in the context represents love, respect, and sacrifices towards each other to make each other feel loved as, part of the family. And yeah, readers or audiences would definitely feel the tears, the joy, and all the excitement that this story will bring, and yeah, would definitely inspire your outlook in life. So
Wow. I think marami talaga makaka-relate dyan, di ba? I mean, especially if you are new to a new country, you move to a new country, perhaps, you're alone, or perhaps, the people, you were in your comfort zone before, tapos biglang parang, oh no, wala na akong kasama, I'm by myself. So I think marami makaka-relate dyan. But I wanna ask naman, Lilin, syempre there are some turning point for you to get the project, di ba? Hindi naman lahat ng gustong maging editor ka is pumapayag ka. There has to be something about this book that made you say yes to Hana. And can you tell us a little bit about your experience or your journey?
Actually, when I first talked to Hannah about editing her book, I said, "Can you just give me first a copy? I want to read first." So, gusto ko munang malaman ano ba yung storya niya. And then when she sent me her copy, sabi ko, "Oh my God, this is about mental health." It's really about mental health, and actually how to handle family members with mental health issues. And kanina you asked to say something about myself more. I'm actually an advocate of mental health. I want people to be aware how mental health issues are being handled. So sabi ko, I called back Hannah and I said I will accept the project because it's one way of promoting mental health literacy kasi. So there.
Oh, okay. So balikan ko naman si Hannah. Hannah, ano naman ang inspirasyon mo? I know that you love writing, I know that you've started with poetry and things like that. But what makes you really sit down and it's hard to write. I mean, come on, it doesn't it's not always free flowing in your head. There are times na nakaupo ka na in front of your computer for a longer period of time, walang idea na lumalabas sa'yo. We all know that. But what inspires you to start this book? Yun yung pinakamahirap to start it.
Yes, yeah, definitely.
Keep going hanggang matapos, di ba? So what inspires you?
Okay, to be honest, I have actually written the story 3 years back for a short story competition. However, I didn't get picked. So due to the current situation we're in right now, I have been, at home a lot, and I had then developed a courage to actually explore my passion more in writing, and have met, one of the best editors, Miss Lalaine, I have ever worked with, and we put the story together. So what actually inspires me about the book is to go for what is possible and what can we do about it to achieve it. And I wanted to introduce a new way of looking at every aspect that could possibly affect someone else's circumstance due to their condition, why they have changed, and to not develop any negative assumptions towards them. And yeah, they may need help. It's not about you, it's about them and how you can help them. So that's what
beautiful.
inspired me. Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, Hannah, is this
Yeah,
your
yeah.
first book?
Sorry?
Is this your first book?
It's my very first novel, but actually when I was like 12, I've written like a fantasy story, but it never got published. But yeah, this is my very first published book. So my parents are proud for it.
We are so proud
We're so
of you,
proud of
and
you,
we are
especially,
so happy that you have decided, to share your story with Good Vibes Filipinas and all our audience and all
Yes.
our listeners. We are so happy. Now, I want to go back to Lelaine. It's very, very important nga din, di ba? The mental health literacy, especially when it comes to Filipino family na wala sa Australia. Because when I moved to Australia, it's a big thing in Australia. But let's face it, it's just developing pa when it comes to the Philippines. There was a time pa nga that when you have mental issues, mental health issues, parang, it's taboo to talk about it. People don't really openly talk about it, which is really, really sad. So I really like to get your idea on how can we spread literacy with respect to mental health, especially to the Philippines. How can we help? Lelaine, can you hear me?
Okay, you're asking me? Yeah, okay. So how can we help?
Yeah, how can we help, kasi sabi mo kanina, mental health literacy is really important, no? So how can we spread awareness with respect to the people in the Philippines?
Okay.
Napuputol.
Siguro we start off muna with zero interest. So, as for my experience, I am into teaching, or what I was doing way back in the Philippines.
Hannah.
I sponsor symposiums. So people
Lelaine is
across
breaking up.
like different schools. I will go to invite like doctors, psychologists, because I am not a doctor. I am not a psychiatrist. I visit like few schools and do some seminars, and because sometimes children, yung mga bata, yung mga teenagers, they don't say anything. It's also important that parents understand kung ano yung nararamdaman ng kanilang mga anak. Into arts, kasi meron din tayo, di ba, I think you also know about art, promote how to cope with the mental health issues. Pwede kang mag-enroll sa art therapy, may ganyan. And join probably organization your mental health issues. So yun, many other ways. Like kayo po, nasa radio kayo, mental health literacy na nasa radyo.
Yes.
So kung saan po yung field nyo, maybe you can use that expertise and promote awareness.
I like that. I like that.
Yes.
I mean, kahit saang field ka, you can promote mental health
For sure.
awareness. I like that. And education is really important. I really like to pick up on that. Sinabi ni Lelaine, you have to educate them. And kung alam mo naman hindi ka expert, well, you can always partner with the experts.
Yeah, more resourced to do that.
You can always collaborate with the experts to really talk about these things.
Yes.
Yes.
True.
Thanks for that.
Ayun.
Okay, so Hannah, balikan
natin siya.
Bigyan mo naman kami ng konting teaser about your book.
Okay.
Ano ba ang kwento nito? Ano bang aabangan namin?
I was gonna pass this question on to Miss Elaine, like the ideas. We were actually giving each other like each section to talk about, but I'm not sure if she can because I'm not sure about the connection,
Yeah, I think she's breaking up.
the
But
internet
yeah,
connection.
Yeah.
But yeah, the main ideas are like about mental health and also valuing family ties as well. So mental health, for example, as Miss Lalaine has said, it is important to like understand it and educate people how important it is to understand someone who's going through that mental health disadvantage, and especially this time that there's actually a lot of like population or cases that that's going through that, and because they can't do any social interaction or any other things outside what they like outside the house, or it just like really hard to like it's really hard to get out of the situation at the moment. And um like mental health, you can't really like talk about it. Like a lot of people would feel like, very like
uncomfortable.
private about it, and also we still have help here. We can easily access like counselors or something, but to actually ask help for someone that's really close to your friend or your family, sometimes it's really hard to take that courage to talk to them because you don't want them to worry about you. You don't want them to feel concerned about you, and you're concerned about them. So there's like a lot of insights, or like like thinking how people can deal with it, or how can you communicate it to get help from someone. So that's what I would look at it. So from um from this book, it just like communicating how important it is, how we could recognize who's going through mental health disadvantage, and how we can understand them more and how we could help them. So the second main idea is about family ties. If you want to talk about it, Miss Lalaine, the message
aside from aside from mental health, another probably theme of the book is concentrating or focusing on close family ties. And I think it's because Hannah is also raised in the Philippines. She had this experience of bonding with the family, and a lot of Filipinos can really relate to the story. Most Filipinos, the families are, some of the parents are offshore and the children are left behind in the Philippines under the care of the lolas or the lolos, the grandparents. And that's part of the story. You can see here the characters being taken care of by the grandmother. Yeah, grandmother. So there, aside from mental health, umiikot yung storya sa family, sa cousins and grandmother. So, yun.
Okay, but before we continue, I just want to read the feedback from our audience.
Yes,
okay?
Very interactive, Mayora, really.
From Ashley Taremwa, you both did a great job working together on the book. Okay, Eins, hi Eins, Team Legit in the house. They are watching po. Mega shout out. Hello Team Legit.
Hello.
Mental health literacy matters, according to Ashley Taremwa. Mental health literacy truly matters. We need to take care of our mental health at all times. Sabi naman niya ni Einstein. Ashley said, yes, Hannah, so proud of you representing Philippines. Says Fonasher, good morning. Carlito is watching. Hi, Carl. Einstein said, hi, says Fonasher. Salamat for dropping by. Said, no problem po. Okay, Bianca, keeping in mind that mental health is always important. this year more than ever with this worldwide pandemic. Talk about it, and you are doing a good job. Well done, Hannah. I love the book. Ashley said we need to eliminate the stigma against mental health and prioritize it the same way we do with physical health. They are both very important. Starting conversations like this is very important. Well done, guys. And Will Win Santiago said hello po sa lahat. See, thank you guys for interacting with us. And Latifa Gumay said, Hannah, you look so amazing and I love your book. Keep going on your way. You're doing great. Ang daming fans ni Hannah.
Dami.
Kanimis Lalane.
By the way, Mayora, Hannah, and Lalaine, speaking of mental health and also family violence, we have a very good interaction with the Silent Witness Network on Wednesday next week. So if you have time to join us as well, because that covers with the mental health and also the family violence aspect, and hopefully maganda yung ano natin because we have so many guests on that day. And they're very knowledgeable and professional on that subject. So I think this is one of the medium that we can, as Lalaine said, maybe itong radyo is one of the, diba? One of the ways na kailangan natin i-promote ang mental health and yung family violence, because I think it's about time na ilagay to sa schools and sa family symposiums. Kung may PTA nga sana, di ba, mga parents teachers association sa mga schools, dapat dinidiscuss to sa bawat universities and schools, so that nakikita agad natin kung saan yung mga bata, baka yung mga anak natin is merong konting problema at the young age, at the early stage, pwede natin silang, di ba, maagapan kung meron man. All right.
And the mere fact that kukumustahin natin yung mga anak natin. I know that we are busy. I know that we need to find money to give them roof over their head and to give them education. But of course, kailangan din ng mga anak natin yung emotional support. Kumustahin natin. We sit down and talk about it, and, make it in a way that they will be able to open up. So, sige, bago ko payagang iwanan tayo ng ating dalawang guests, Miss Hannah, ano ang mga huling message mo sa ating mga audience? And of course, isa pang tanong, saan namin maaaring mabili ang iyong aklat? Where can you buy your book?
Okay, so first, thank you guys for having us, and all the people that is viewing us right now. I hope everyone had a good day and having a good evening. You can access this book through amazon.com.au and just type in the title there, Unwanted Absence, and you can then download it. And
Miss Lalaine?
Thank you. Thank you very much for inviting us over, and it's our pleasure actually. And thank you also to my writer Hannah. Thank you for trusting me to edit book. And siguro po ang message ko lang po for your viewers and to everybody. If you feel something about yourself, if you don't feel good about yourself, don't worry, because lahat tayo, we feel that. Lahat tayo, sometimes we don't feel good about ourselves. So that's normal. But if you need to talk to somebody, please talk to somebody. And also another message, everything in this world changes. It's an ever-changing world. Marami, lalo na ngayon sa pandemic, COVID-19, maraming mga changes sa buhay natin. And that's all right. Don't make it burden you so much. But what's more important is that we stick with our family. Okay, everything may change, but our love and patience and respect for our family will not change. So yun lang po. And you can also visit Facebook Editor Laine, it's Laine, or message me at editorlane88@gmail.com if you need any editing stuff. Thank you.
Beautiful. So, Miss Lane, could you please send that to me, your information, so that we could put that in our Good Vibes Filipinas page, just in case people ask us. Okay? And Hannah, we are looking forward to your next book.
Thank you.
I hope that you will share as well your next book with us. All the best to both of you. And thank you for being an inspiration to all of us.
You too, guys.
Thank you, Elaine and Hannah. Thank you.
Bye.
Ayan.
Bye. Thank you.
Ayan, magpatalastas muna tayo ngayon. Medyo mahaba-haba yun.
Hanap buhay muna.
The Divas, a program to empower women. Transform your life physically, mentally and emotionally in only 30 days. 15th of March to the 15th of April. Activities include wellness, fashion, yoga and meditation, motivation, grooming and a transformational portfolio. Like us on Facebook at The Divas. Register your expression of interest at thedivas.com.au/register or phone 0433 077 896. The Divas is a sponsor of 979 FM.
MLV Group are in the business of providing financial security and happiness to all Filipino migrants to Australia by providing a one-stop shop for all their financial, business, and social needs. Sponsor of 97.9 FM.
Radio with personality. 979 FM.
Breaking news, Explosions Bar and Bowl is now open. Explosions Bar and Bowl is located at 125 Bakery Square. It has 10 lanes for 10-pin bowling, 50 arcade games, a pool room, function facilities for all your party requirements for both kids and adults, a full functional bar together with a kitchen that will look after your appetite. Explosions Bar and Bowl is open every day from 10 a.m. till 8. Proud sponsor of 979 FM.
Has someone you know or a family member been involved in the Defence Forces with combat service? Do you need support, friendship, understanding, and information on benefits? We support locally and are united nationally. We are the partners of Veterans Association of Australia. Please contact us at the cost of a local call on 1300 553 835. 1300 553 835.
Side A sa kantang So Many Questions. Parang nakaano pa rin sa Mayora, sa mental health. So many questions.
But the answers are so
few.
Answers are so
few. F-E-double, so few. Oo. So many questions, ha?
Well, ganyan talaga.
Anyways, ang ganda ng discussion natin. Masyadong professional yung ating guest tonight. Kaya medyo kahit pa paano, buti na lang Martes ngayon. Kung hindi, kung Biyernes ngayon, dumudugo na naman ang ilong ko.
At least, di ba? Pero napakaganda nun kasi yung book ni Miss Hannah, di ba? Hindi lang yung mental health ang tinatalakay niya. Tinatalakay niya din yung importance ng family support, ang importance ng love and support in our family. Which sometimes, minsan we take this for granted.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi forever lang naman nandyan yung family natin. Especially yung Filipino family, di ba? Napaka-closely knit ng family natin.
I think doon yung...
It's really good.
So
please, buy the book
yes.
and read the book. Yan.
Yeah. At least din, siguro kaya hindi masyado na pagtutuunan ng pansin sa Pilipinas because yung family bonding natin. 'Di ba? Hindi tulad dito.
Marami kang support group.
Oo, marami. Tsaka kahit kapitbahay mo, tapos marami kang mga sports sa lumabas ka lang ng bahay, 'di ba? Magkakapitbahay, kilala, buong kanto, buong bayan, kilala nyo. Dito, hindi kayo nagkakakilanlan kahit, di ba?
Tagal nyo na magkapitbahay, di ba?
20 years na kayo magkapitbahay, kung hindi pala sunugan, di kayo na nagkakakilanlan. Nagkakakilanlan. Ayan. Tagalog tayo. Para aral at kultura. Anong nangyayari ngayon sa aral at kultura? Mayora, kumusta?
Available na rin po kami sa Bring to You.
Ayun.
Ayan. So, mabibili nyo na rin po ang mga books ng aral at kultura sa Bring to You. So, just check on their website sa Bring to You. At available din po kami sa Sydney sa Fave Foods Online. Ayan. So, yan ang mga nangyayari sa aral at kultura ngayon. At syempre, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang mga pagkakaklase natin sa Tagalog Learning Incorporated. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yan. So sana ay samahan niyo po kami sa aming mga klase tuwing Sabado po yan sa mga bata 5 years old to 10 years old, 1:00 hanggang 1:45 ng hapon, at ang mga teens naman po from 11 to 17, ang klase naman po nila ay 4:30 hanggang 5:30 ng hapon. Sabado din po yan. Ang Zoom meeting details po ay matatagpuan sa aming Facebook group, Tagalog Learning Inc. Puntahan niyo lamang po doon, gamitin ang link para maka-join sa Zoom meeting. Ito po ay libre para sa mga bata. Ayan, Papi.
Ayan, siya nga pala, batiin ko yung mga kasama namin sa Team Legit. Ayan, nagsabi si, shout out kay Meryl Basiga Ruaya, sabi niya, hello everything. What? Bago itong mga nito, mga konyong-konyong mga Tagalog English natin. Hello everything, and everything. So, ito mga natin, mga bagong support group to ng Good Vibes Pilipinas sa Dubai. 'Di ba? Sa iba't ibang dako ng mundo. Kasi nga, kung makikita nyo sa baba ng aming screen, 'di ba? Ang aming mga Facebook pages, YouTube channels, yung aming Twitter, yung aming Instagram at TikTok. Ayan, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-follow o nakakapag-like and subscribe sa aming Facebook pages, sa YouTube, ayan, nasa baba lang po. Paki-like lang po ang aming official logo. Ayun. At saka, kasama na pala yung ating aral at kultura. Ayan, habang naghihintay.
Happy, may question ako. Ano ibig sabihin ng Team Legit?
Team Legit, isa siyang parang network ng small YouTubers. Nag-meet lang lately just to have a connection with each other. Kasi ang YouTube kasi, ang YouTube kasi para magkaroon sa ngayon, para magkaroon ka ng konting support, lalo na sa mga lalo na sa mga endeavors na For example, kailangan mo ng mga contents, 'di ba? Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. Tapos may mga hindrances, may mga, 'di ba, na kumbaga sumasagabal sa mga plano mo, may mga ganyan. So, binibigyan ka ng mga advices anong gagawin natin, and after that, kung gusto mo nang
parang support group.
Oo, gusto mo nang gawing reality yung ano mo, yung mga, 'di ba, yung mga contents mo, susuportahan ka na ng ano legit. I-share nila yan all around the world. So, yan, si Wilwin Santiago, shout out to Team Legit. Yan. Hopefully, dumami pa tayo, mga kaibigan, mga ka-good vibes dyan sa Team Legit. Thank you for adding us in this very, very friendly network. Ayan. Kung meron kayong mga shoutouts, kung meron kayong mga requested songs, pakisabi na lang sa amin. Pwede kayong mag-type dyan sa aming live stream chat box. Actually, hindi namin nakikita yung chat box namin kasi karoon technical difficulty bago magsimula yung interview. And before ang susunod naming tugtugin, ayusin ko. Ayan, Mayora?
Yes.
Okay.
Sige, Papi, magpatugtog.
Patugtog muna tayo kasi mukhang gusto kasi ng alam mo ng 97.9 FM Melton Community Radio, gusto nilang mapakinggan yung mga Filipino, yung mga OPM natin. Actually, marami na silang nailista. And nakuha sa atin ng mga songs, especially yung 3 Stars of the Sun, 3 Stars in the Sun ni Francis Magalona. Naku, gusto nila, pinapatugtog nila yun sa kanilang radio. Iba't ibang lahi ang andyan sa 97.9. So, ito uli ang isang kanta bumula sa Neo Colors, Say You'll Never Go.
7.9 FM Filipino-Australian program. Good Vibes, Pilipinas. Boom! SD Property Consulting finds out what the client's individual needs. They work only with quality builders, land developers, and financial companies that are 100% dedicated to look after their clients and to constantly satisfy them, taking every step of the way. SD Property Consulting, sponsor of 97.9 FM.
Melbourne's Hot Mix of the 80s, 90s, hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on, go play, and today. 979 FM.
Home loan applications, refinance options, personal loans, car finance, no problemo. Mighty Finance is where you need to go. Contact us now at 0406-881-477. Sponsor of 97.9 FM.
What's today?
It's Thursday.
Really? Feels like Tuesday.
Tuesday has no feel. Monday has a feel. Friday has a feel. Sunday has a feel.
I feel Tuesday and Wednesday. All right, shut up, the both of you. You're making me nervous.
Get that 979 FM feeling every day. With a great mix of music and the biggest variety, check out 979 FM's program guide on your computer, smartphone or tablet at www.979fm.com.au.
How about a talking noisy box? Inside, there are tiny sprites a talking to you, but they can't hear you, mind, unless they're doing a phone-in.
This is 979 FM.
Hello.
Solid Gold Radio, 979 FM.
Do you want to discover the newest playgrounds, enjoy a great night out, and taste the best treats on offer in the city of Melton? The free Melton City Much More app will help you to discover, taste, enjoy, and explore much more in the city of Melton. Download the Melton City Much More app today from Apple iTunes or Google Play. Melton City Council is the sponsor of 979 FM.
Ayun, Mayora, medyo siguro the next following weeks, medyo dadami itong mga commercial natin.
Oo, feeling ko. Kasi di ba mayroon tayo mga bagong sponsors. Ayan. Ako. Exciting yan. Mm-hmm. And hopefully, sa mga susunod na week, kapag gumanda pa rin ang gumanda yung ating yung data sa pagliit ng mga infected, mas magkakaroon na tayo ng mas maluwag na, mas maluwag na restrictions, diba? So hopefully, we just keep doing the right thing. Yan.
Sana magbukas
para
na yung
we can all have a good holiday together na mas marami na tayong makakasama.
Tumpak. Sana rin sila May at Papa George makasama na natin sa radyo para masaya. Mukhang makulit na naman tayo nito.
Yes, true. Ayan, ang lima na tayo. So, para masaya talaga.
Oo. Siya nga pala, Mayora, pag medyo gumanda na, itutuloy na natin yung ating Good Vibes Pilipinas Boom Fest.
Ay, exciting yan!
Napending lang talaga tayo kasi
Boom Fest, magkakatotoo na rin.
Ay, salamat, Diyos ko. Sana matapos na tong pandemya, tapusin mo na para maging masaya ulit ang aming buhay.
Correct.
Okay. Patugtog pa tayo. Meron pala tayo request ngayon. Sabi ni Wilwin Santiago, Lilim by Victory Worship.
Wilwin Santiago, pwede po bang mag-request, Ma'am Sir? Lilim by Victory Worship po. Ayan.
O yan, pwede. Siyempre man pwede.
Ipagbigyan mo naman, Papi, si Wilwin. Taga saan ba si Wilwin?
Ay, nasa Japan yata si Wilwin. Taga saan ka ba, Wilwin?
Nasa Japan ka ba? Saan ka nandoon, Wilwin? I-share mo nga.
Oo. Ano ka naman sa amin?
Si Mirel Basiga, Ruaya, hello everything. Mirel, ikaw naman. Taga saan ka, Mirel?
Taga Dubai yan si Mirel.
Sila Tifa Gumayas is friend ni Hana. So, tingnan nga natin kung saan. Nasa UAE si Wilwin. Wilwin, anong oras na ba dyan? Kumusta na ba kayo sa UAE? Ayan, ako mag-iingat kayo parati dyan ha. At salamat naman sa pag-tune in nyo sa amin sa 979 FM. Okay. Sige, chichismisin ko muna ang ilan sa ating sa ating mga audience ha. O sige, maki-interact kayo kay Mayora saan man kayo sa mundo. Ayan. At kung meron kayong mga shout-out, meron kayong gustong batiin, birthday, anniversary, batiin, ay i-message nyo lamang sa akin at babatiin ko yan. Yan, mag-aalas 2 na daw pala ng hapon sa UAE, papi. Ayan.
Ilang oras ba to Australia? 2? Tapos anong oras na 9? Yan, 7 hours. Yeah?
7 hours.
Yes. Yes, 7 hours. Sabi ni, ayan, mga friends po namin sa YouTube, Ate May. Si Mrs.
Ayan, oo nga. Pwede nyo bang i-like yung Tagalog Learning Inc?
Yan naman, syempre naman. Mami.
Like the Tagalog Learning Inc. Gusto lamang po nating i-spread ang mga Filipino stories sa ating mga kabataan. Ayan.
And also, yung mga ating mga Team Legit, gusto ko silang i-guest sa ating YouTube channel. Mag-zoom tayong lahat. Gusto kong gusto kong ikwento nila yung mga masasaya at mga masalimuot nilang mga karanasan. Para naman magkaroon.
That's good.
Kasi, alam mo, kung walang mga ganong mga taong nakikinig, makikinig lang naman tayo eh. Diba?
Tama.
And para magkaroon din ng lesson yung ibang tao sa mga experiences nyo, diba? Pwede kaming mag-suggest.
Marami tayong matututunan.
Oo, syempre, Mayora. Lalo kung dito si Bibo, makukulit tayo, ha?
Oo, sige nga. Pagbigyan nyo nga kami, gawin nga natin yan.
And humanda kayo, ha? Humanda kayo. Lalo na marami kong mga natutunan sa mga pinag-share niya. Salamat nga pala, Merel, sa Kamenyang sa pag-share ng inyong mga karanasan at hopefully nakatulong ako sa pag-advise. And kung gusto nyo, i-share yung karanasan nyo dito and para makapag-move on kayo ng maganda, walang problema. Kasi it's one way.
Mga ganyang move on.
Oh, it's one way. It's one way of parang accepting for another stage or another chapter of your life. Kasi kailangan
sa... yung sinasabi mo sa akin, Papi, di ba, nung nakaraan, nung magkausap tayo sa telepono, sabi mo sa akin, huwag kang malungkot, Mayora, kasi ibig sabihin, may bagong chapter na dadating sa buhay.
Natural.
Kasi hindi naman matatapos yung chapter na yan kung hindi mo tatapusin, di ba? So, paano magkakaroon ng magandang chapter kung hindi mo iiwan yung huling chapter?
Kailangan i-close mo muna yung chapter na yun, di ba? Yung libro para may chapter.
Hindi lahat ng mga negatibong nangyayari sa buhay natin kailangan na dibdibin natin ng sobra-sobra.
Tama.
Kasi, it's just another way for us to keep moving forward, to be able to make ourselves a better person, diba?
Tama.
Naku, masaya itong mga
Masaya
ganitong
to,
kwentuhan.
masaya.
Gusto ko yan. Sige nga.
And isa pa, Mayora, alam mo ba na once na hindi ka magkaroon ng change sa life mo, ibig sabihin, hindi ka mag-improve. Walang development, 'di ba? Kung hindi ka magi-grade 6, kung ayaw mo grade 6, balik ka lang sa grade 5 o kaya bababa.
Hindi ka mag-high school.
Hindi ka mag-high school, hindi ka magka-college kasi hanggang doon ka na lang. So, ito magandang magandang mga usapin to, Mayora, ha?
Gusto ko yung mga ganyan.
Magsisimula naman to si Chrissy. Meron ka bang kakausapin ngayong umaga, Chrissy?
Gusto ka yan, Kuya Boy. Nako, marami tayong dapat pag-usapan. Alam mo naman ako, Kuya Boy, very honest ako, di ba?
Siguro naman, ha? Kayo, baka meron pa kayong nakaraan ni
Sino ni Papa James? Forget na siya. Forget na. Nag-move on na ako.
Buti pa ako si Papa. Hindi ako hinihiwalayan kahit ilang taon na kami ni Papa. Ayan.
Forever.
Forever talaga si Papa, 'di ba? Siyempre, inaambulan ko siya ng maraming datung, tsaka inaambulan ko siya ng maraming kotse, 'Di ba? Kahit hindi ako
Correct.
magpa-transplant, okay lang kasi may datong naman, 'di ba?
Tama.
Kasi kung wala akong datong sa kanya, tiyak, ihiwalayan na niya ako. 'Di ba?
Pero di ba, I mean, but by theory, even naman kahit dumating yung mga difficult situations, kung yung tao mahal ka talaga. Kung yung tao diyan talaga para sa hindi ka iiwan niyan.
Siyempre, sabi ko nga eh.
Diyan mo talaga makikita kasi kung mahal ka nung isang tao eh. Hindi lang sa masasayang part ng buhay mo or dun sa mga part na matagumpay ka or dun sa mga part na mapera ka. Kung yung person talaga yung nasa lowest point ka ng life mo tas nandyan pa para sa'yo, that's it. You should really care and respect and love that kind of people. Kasi mahirap makahanap ng mabuting tao sa panahon ngayon.
Kaya lang, Mayora, syempre, dala ng kahirapan, merong mga kailangang kumapit sa patalim, di ba? So, hindi rin natin
sad. It's hard. It's not our position to judge.
Yes, yun ang ano doon.
You know, it's just very sad. Pero ang masasabi ko lang is, kung reach out to us.
Tama.
Diba? Baka matulungan namin kayo. Diba? Reach out to Good Vibes Pilipinas. Kasi baka meron kaming mga tao na ma-bridge sa inyo, na makatulong sa inyo. Huwag niyong iisipin na mag-isa lang kayo. Huwag niyong isipin na kailangan yung gumawa ng hindi magandang mga bagay just to survive.
Tama.
Sometimes you just need to reach out to the right people. Okay? So don't think that you're alone in these difficult times.
Alam mo, Mayora, speaking of good vibes, yung si Meryl, yung kasama namin Team Legit, ihahanap natin yan ng responsible person dito na lalaki. Kasi ano siya naghahanap siya ngayon ng love of her life. Kahit lang daw.
Talaga? Ano namang requirement?
Hindi, ang gusto niya lang yung tatanggapin siya, mamahalin siya ng buong puso, di ba? Kasi from the moment at the moment na nag-ano siya sa akin, nag-open up, parang kailangan niya nito. She's ready. Di ba? I think she came from a very sabi natin malungkot na relasyon. Oo. Kaya dapat matulungan natin siya. Kasi napaka-responsable naman yan.
Sa akin yung relasyon na yan.
Ang ganda-ganda pa naman yan ni Meryl. Kaya sana matulungan natin. May mga kabarkada tayo diyan na naghahanap din ng love of his life, of his life na.
Oo, tama.
Si Bibo maraming kaibigan. Ay, alam ko na. Oy, speaking of Bibo, pag-usapan natin 'yan. Saka natin 'yan. Magkakaroon tayo ng dating game sa Good Vibes Pilipinas.
Dapat mag-dating
Zoom
game
dating game.
tayo, seryoso.
Gusto kong tanungin si Meryl. Okay ka ba, Meryl? Mag-dating game tayo dito sa Good Vibes Pilipinas? Sa Sabado?
Meryl.
Hi, Meryl. Wala bang reply dyan? Mag-dating game tayo? Di ba? May papakilala na sa'yo dito, Australia. Pinoy din. Binata. Naghahanap din ng mga...
gusto ko yan, dating game.
Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan ang compatibility nyo.
May mga compatibility. Siyempre. Natutuwa si Papa George yan. Gusto niya yung mga ganyang segment.
Oo. Baka ang problema niyan si Mayang makisalamuha. Pwede ba ako muna, Papi? Pwede muna ako muna, Mayora?
Ako muna may 5 months akong tanning.
Meron akong target.
Perfect.
Anyway, matugtugin muna natin tong Lilim by Victory Worship. Para kay Will Win. Boom!
I will win. Ayan, Papi, nandito na si Meryl.
Ayan.
Nag-reply na siya.
Oo.
Topic ako? Ayan, at nandito rin si Chloe Lane. And of course, Hermie Lambert. Ayan, I'm here. Nakastop ako sa tabi. Nakikichismis. Hermie Lambert, pa-request Secret Love Song. Hermie Lambert. Hi sa mga host na pogi at maganda. Hello, Hermie. Ayan ako drive pa uwi para sa LS ko. Haha. Will Win said, salamat po sa pag-play ng song. God bless us all po. Ayan.
Ang ganda ng lilim, ha?
Yes. Sabi ni Ains, ayan na si Minyang. Secret Love Song.
Secret Love Song, ha? Sus! Secret pa. Lilim by Victory Worship. Ang ganda ng song. Napaka-inspiring. Ninanamnam ko yung yung lyrics eh. Pag talagang music lover ka, yung lyrics ang ninanamnam. Para siyang ballad ng Hail. Alam mo yung Hail, yung kumanta ng the day you say parang the day you say goodbye, parang ganun.
Oh, yes.
Say goodbye. Ganun. Huwag na tayong kumanta, baka ma-discover pa tayo. Joke.
Oo,
tago lang natin. Pang CR lang tayo.
Correct.
Anyways, mukhang magandang idea na yun, Mayora. Yung magkaroon tayo ng dating game.
Oo, dating game. Gusto ko yan, dating game.
Oo, makwela yan. Doon ko makikita kung paano mag-emerge si Buy Abundat. Di ba?
Tama. Oo, maganda yan. Sige, kailan ba natin gustong umpisahan yan? Gagawin pa natin yan tuwing Tuesday or tuwing Saturday?
Siguro, gawin natin yan ng Saturday. Pero, parang kulang ang Saturday natin yan na naman. Diyos ko, mukhang kulang.
Kasi, diba, alam mo naman ng mga fans, kapag nag-i-enjoy, napapa-overtime.
Unless na gagawin natin mas maaga, gagawin natin 3 hours yun, okay lang. Depende. Kasi alam mo kung bakit, Mayora, lalo na sa ating mga live streaming, habang mas mahaba yung streaming natin, mas maganda. Because lalo na tayo, may mga contents tayo na inuulit-ulit yan. Tapos sinishare din ng iba. Yan ang kagandahan ng mayroon tayong Team Legit. Kasi pag naghahanap sila ng may view, for example, nalulungkot sila, tapos may mga topics sila, pwede lang i-collab yun sa kanilang pages. O ito, sinishare namin to. Itong ng kaibigan. Itong ng kaibigan namin, please watch this. Kung wala kang ginagawa, magandang content. Ganon. Kasi kung sa milyon mga YouTubers ngayon na nasa social media as well sa Facebook, hindi ka discover unless na maganda na talaga yung content mo. So, parang sinisell mo rin, di ba? Parang pinamamahagi mo rin, sinishare mo rin sa iba, sa network ng iba. Para makita nila, ito, pag i-like ko to, abangan na ako. So, sa ngayon kasi, mapili ng mga viewers eh. Kung hindi ka nasa YouTube, hindi ka rin makikita ng mga YouTubers. So, kailangan makita din nila. Kaya mahirap maging monetize ngayon. Lalo na.
Okay lang. Hindi naman, I think it's really okay to be monetized talaga, no? Pero yung iba rin kasi yung, let's say for example, kung yung primary purpose mo is not to monetize, but to just you have your advocacy. Like for example, sa akin, my advocacy is to really share, the Filipino children's story to everyone. Around the world. Kasi we want our children to listen to Filipino stories. We want our children to learn their culture, their values, their tradition. And most especially for children who are not in the Philippines kasi wala silang first-hand experience. So in my case, I don't want fame. I don't want monetization. I really just want that Filipino language, culture, and tradition to be shared. So, and I hope that I could learn from you guys because kung mas marami syempreng viewer, mas marami mga bata ang matututo, di ba? Basically. So I just want to use that YouTube platform to be able to, share the stories to a lot of children around the world, di ba?
Actually, ganun din naman ng Good Vibes Pilipinas, But in the long run, parang kailangan din natin ng sustainability. So, yung iba nga,
Exactly.
actually, kung i-analyze mo, Mayora, yung iba nga, walang ganong content, pero namamonetize, tayo pa kaya na meron, na pwede nating i-share sa iba yung ating monetization. And also, maka-avail tayo ng mga, tulad niyan, nag-technical difficulties tayo minsan-minsan. I think it's time to get, to upgrade para, di ba, hindi naman tayo talaga, di ba, for profit association. We are on a community base. Kaya minsan, ayaw ko rin patulan yung mga offer ng iba kasi once na maging commercial ako, may iba na yung objective natin. Hindi na tayo more on community. Once na mawalan tayo ng community, mapasasalpakan na ng pera yan, ng professionalism. So, mamimili ako. Diba? Magkakaroon ako ngayon ng choices na mawawala dun sa prinsipyo ko. Diba? So, mas maganda, kahit sa YouTube man lang, wala tayong kinukuha from na malaki sa sponsors because they're earning it as well. Diba? And also, kung may mga grants tayo, thank you very much sa mga grants. Kung mga na-approve tayo and to the support of our 97.9 FM family, di ba? Okay na ako doon. But if it goes to to the idea na pwede tayo ma-monetize to help more, di ba? To reach out more horizon, di ba? Lalo na sa'yo, sa mga advocacies natin na pwede natin lalong kasi sa ngayon sa YouTube saka sa Facebook kung hindi ka mag-advertise bibigyan mo sila ng konting advertisement, hindi ka talaga nila di ba? I-spread out. Unless na talagang wala ka may mga network ka. So para sa akin kung as long as na masaya tayo sa ginagawa natin, okay ako kasi anin mo naman yung pera kung after 3 months ayaw mo na.
Yeah, true.
Diba? So that's the basic thing.
At saka yun nga, I think, diba, I mean, if the primary reason is for money, you will get a lot of stress.
For sure.
Kasi parati
100%.
kang mag-iisip na, I need to earn more. But then if you're doing something that you love, if you're doing something because it's within your principle, because you want to advocate for something, then you will forever be inspired. Diba?
Yes.
Kasi imagine ako, how long have I been running Tagalog Learning Incorporated? We're more than a year.
Yes.
Wala kaming funding. If I am not passionate about what I'm doing, and if I'm not happy with what I'm doing, matagal ko nang binitawan yan. Diba? I could use up my time to do other things that could give me some sort of money. But because I love it, I love, sharing Filipino language to the children. I want every young Filipino children to learn Filipino. Then I keep on going, di ba?
Very true. 100%.
Yun yung inspiration mo eh.
At dito sa Good Vibes Pilipinas, akala ba nila binabayaran tayo dito? No!
Exactly.
Di ba? ultimo yung mga natin, ultimo yung mga gamit namin. They are from the 97.9 FM family. So they are assisting us. Ayun, kaya nga meron na naman si Mayorang bagong microphone.
Oh yeah! I have a new baby. I have to use that next Saturday.
Yan, kaya hindi na siya bibiglang mag-fluctuate. Ngayon, mag-aano na siya. So ayan, marami tuloy affected sa mga sinasabi natin, Mayora. Sabi niya, ano to? Bagay na bagay sa panahon ngayon. Bet ko yung song. Secret Love Song. O, mayroon bang ganun? Secret Love Song? Ayoko sabihin, secret yun. Ayan. Tapos sabi ng misis ko, alam ko yung sa banda, yung magaling kumanta. Ay, magaling tumugtog din yun, no? Tapos sabi ni misis, sa YT you create your own...
meron na kayong hinuhon,
Oo, sa YT you create your own community. Group of people who have the same interest as you. People that you can relate to, people who became your friends. Ayan, sabi ni Hermie Lambert, yes, correct. Pwede, si Charlie Potpot kasi, anak yan ng Filipina French. So, pwede yan sa channel ni Mayora. Okay. So, sabi ni Hermie Lambert, it will come, guys. Hi, Elaine, mega shoutout. Parang si Minyang yan, super happy sa ginagawa niya, laging inspired. Okay, ha? Kailangan when you do something, always do it with passion. Yan. Correct. Ang galing.
Beautiful.
Parang mga influencers, ito yung network of influencers eh. Dito tayo matututo.
But good ones.
Good ones.
Good influence.
Actually, we have screening May screening sila eh. So ini-screen talaga nila eh, 'di ba? Yung may mga tao, may mga tabas na konti diyan. Chupi. 'Di ba? Igibin kayo,
good.
ignore.
Really good.
Kasi kailangan yung veracity tsaka yung reputation ng network is mataas.
And it is our social responsibility to create good and, good content.
Yes.
Diba? We have, kasi, we are broadcasting, you know. It is a way of broadcasting. We are showing our content to the mass. So it is our responsibility to make sure that our content is actually up to that high level of standard.
Tama.
Diba? Hindi kung ano-anong gusto nyo lang kasi, you don't know who's gonna watch you eh. At the end of the day, you need to make sure that what you're showing in your content is something that is productive, something that is going to be worthwhile to your audience, di ba?
Yeah. Helpful.
So, responsible influencers.
Yeah. Kaya nga influencers, it's not about influencing you. You are influencing the people. Kaya dapat, you are aware, you are responsible kung anong dapat mong ipakita. Diba? Sa mga gustong manood sa'yo. Hindi yung kung ano lang yung gusto mo para sumikat ka. Hindi yun.
Kasi may responsibilidad ka eh. May responsibility ka. Yeah. Hindi lang gusto mong sumikat. Hindi lang gusto mong magkapera. You have the responsibility to the mass.
Yes.
That's what broadcasting is about, Kaya lang kasi, yung censorship kasi ng social media is very difficult to do. Pero kung talagang from a point of view of a broadcaster, alam natin yan. Meron tayong social responsibility.
For sure. Yeah. Mayora, meron tayo sa pang project. Yung mga small YouTubers sa buong mundo, kahit saan man kayo kayong dako ng daigdig, magkakaroon tayo ng Zoom party.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Yun ang gusto ko para malaman natin kung ano yung mga ano yung forte mo. 'Di ba? Si Menyang, ano yung content mo? 'Di ba? Si Meryl, naghahanap ng papa. 'Di ba? 'Di ba?
Pwede rin 'yon.
Pwede rin 'yon. Baka doon makita si Mr. Right, 'di ba?
Well, you never know.
You never know. 'Di ba? Tapos itong si kwento ni Al, may kasama kami kasi si Al. Ang forte niya is magkwento lang ng magandang aral. 'Di ba? Yung mga more on meron siyang konting biblical a bit, and then 'di ba? May mga moral lessons. Tapos meron din mga cooking. 'Di ba? Kaya sa Pinaysian Melbourne nga, 'di ba? Anong pagkakaiba ng kaldereta, apretada? Nako, ang hirap sa inyo, hindi ka nag-research.
Correct.
Ako kasi nagluluto ako niyan, kaya alam ko kung ano yung pagkakaiba. Protina, kaldereta, baka, 'di ba? Afritada, 'di ba? Anong menudo is pork, afritada is pork din. Chicken. Pero ang original kasi niyan, wala ang original yan. Pag sinabi afritada, is pork yan. Pero may parang parang mechado, menudo, pero ang pagkakaiba niya is liver, may konting liver, 'di ba? Kaya depende sa protina, 'yun ang pagkakaiba nila. Ayan. Yan na siguro maganda natin gagawin. Abot tayo ng mga 3 oras ito. Siguro mga 4 na oras pag ganito, Mayora. Mayor, alam ko hindi ka busy next week. Pwede natin gawin yan ng Wednesday. Wednesday nga pala, busy tayo.
Yeah, busy tayo next week. Meron tayong the Silent Witness Network. We have a forum about family violence prevention and mental health. So, busy tayo next week.
Ito maganda kasi, Mayora, kasi parang collaboration to ng mga YouTubers eh. So,
correct.
So ibig sabihin may share nila to sa mga walang, 'di ba? Wala pang ideas. Oo, sumikat ako. Tulad ng sino 'yon, yung naging guest natin last time na nag-ano lang siya ng parang love letter.
Oo, yung taga Bicol na nag-post lang siya ng caption sa mga pictures ng ex niya.
Mga hugot niya.
On.
So, nagtatanong siya ngayon, ano ngayon magiging, paano niya masusustain? Kasi kung ganun ang gagawin niya, na puro ex niya, baka patayin siya ng asawa o kaya boyfriend ng ex niya, di ba? So, ano ngayon yung gagawin mong di ba? Nag-stop ka na doon. Oo, naging trending yung post mo, pero, di ba? Anong susunod? What's next about that? Di ba? After that pala. So, ayan, patugtog muna tayo ulit para gumanda yung aming araw at ang gabi. Pero meron na tayong plano mga kaibigan, yung Team Legit, magkakaroon kami ng collaborations. Alright, ito po ulit si Papi Melvin Mata kasama si
Mayora May Red Safra.
Dito lang sa 97.9 FM Melton Community Radio Filipino Aussie Program. Good vibes, Pilipinas! Boom!
Book your next car service to the experts who care. Taller Auto Service Center assures you the best job quality, value for money, and excellent customer service. Full service starting from $149 only. Book now. Sponsor of 97.9 FM.
Rock on! 979 FM, the home of the West's best stereo.
More music for Melbourne and the western suburbs, only on your community radio station, 979 FM.
Looking for affordable professional music lessons? Well, look no further than Melton Music. No matter your age or ability, we have the right teacher for you. We also offer private and group lessons available for all instruments. Melton Music, making music affordable. Proud sponsors of 979 FM.
I lived with a problem of alcohol for many years. I felt sick with anxiety, frustration and hopelessness. I rang Lifeline in desperation. They gave me Al-Anon contacts, and now I am finding my life again. If you are troubled by someone's drinking, please come to an Al-Anon meeting, Melton, Friday nights, 7 p.m. Ring 9642 3330 or 1300 252 666.
The Divas, a program to empower women. Transform your life physically, mentally and emotionally in only 30 days. 15th of March to the 15th of April. Activities include wellness, fashion, yoga and meditation, motivation, grooming and a transformational portfolio. Like us on Facebook at The Divas. Register your expression of interest at thedivas.com.au/register or phone 0433 077 896. The Divas is a sponsor of 979 FM.
Alan Miranda, immigration lawyers, professionally equipped with extensive experiences, knowledge of Australian immigration laws and procedures. We ensure you getting into the right path of all types of Australian visa application. We thoroughly analyze and evaluate circumstances of each client and always look for the best valuable approach. Hence, why wait? Avail now and say yes to our service, which will open the doors for your future. Sponsor 97.9 FM.
Hello, this is Claire Bowditch. Hi, this is Rachel Learcart. Hi, this is Wendy Matthews.
Hi, this is Renee Geyer, and you are listening to 979 FM.
Ayan! Napakadaming ano nun. Intermission. May ora, medyo napuno tayo nun ah. Anyways, kasi ang haba nung ano natin, ang haba nung pinag-usapan natin. So,
correct.
Anyways, siya nga pala, paalala ko, sa Wednesday, 27th of October, 2020. So, sa ganitong oras din, mga 7:30 to 9 p.m., we have our guest, the Silent Witness Network. Yes, si Mosha Dulayon. Baka makasama natin si Ate Melba Maginson.
That's good.
Pero meron tayong isang guest na puti yata o ibang lahi. So, it's going to be a very interesting discussion and interaction with, sana may matulungan tayo. Last time, di ba? Meron tayong isang listener lang na natulungan kami na nag-reach out sa amin about family violence. And ayun, inisip niya daw dati mag-suicide na siya because of 'di ba, of those sufferings na naranasan niya. Pero nung nakinig siya sa amin, ayun, nabuhayan siya and natulungan namin siyang i-reach out. And
at sabi nga ni Papa George, kahit isang tao lamang ang matulungan natin or mapasaya natin sa kada programa, masayang-masaya na tayo. At yun talaga ang purpose ng Good Vibes.
Yes. Good vibes lang talaga. Yan, meron na lang tayo 15 minutes, Mayora. Siguro meron na lang isang kanta.
Napakabilis talaga ng oras.
Syempre.
Lagi namang ganyan eh.
Oo. Lalo pag andito si Bibo. Tawanan tayo ng tawanan.
Bibo, magpagaling ka ha.
Magpagaling ka, Bibo. And May, baka maunahan ka pa ni Meryl.
Kailangan i-push na yan, May.
Siguro magkaroon tayo ng dating, Mayora. Silang dalawa ang bachelorettes.
Ay! Pwede. Maganda yan. Gusto ko yan.
Siguro maghanap tayo ng si Mai dito sa Melbourne, ihahanap natin ng taga-ibang planeta.
Ganon. So, interplaneta ito.
Oo, intergalactic to, intergalactic. So, baka hanap tayo ng mga taga-US, di ba?
Oo, pwede.
O hindi, taga dito, na willing, di ba? Sumali. Pero si Meryl, meron tayong ipa-partner, mga dalawa.
Exciting to, exciting.
Para kasi sino yun? Sino nga to? Yung sa so, it's a date? Sino yung na yun? Si Plinky Recto? Oo, para kasi Plinky Recto yan. So, i-research ko na yung paano yung style ni Plinky Recto. Masaya
kailangan may mechanics yung game natin.
Masaya to. Kailangan ipakita na natin muna yung mechanics sa kanila and then kailangan na lang natin. Sabihin na lang natin pagkatapos para alam na agad nila.
Okay.
Maganda to.
I-tape na natin yung mechanics tapos ipi-play na lang natin sa Hi, Papa Lloydie is watching.
Hi, Papa Lloydie. How are you? How's the pandemic at the moment? Still working
Sobrang
at home?
busy ni Papa Lloydie today.
Ah.
Nag-mow siya ng lawn,
Uy.
tapos he cleans the garden. Ako, very busy.
Yan, makakahiram ako ng mower.
Very good man.
Ayoko bumili ng mower. Kakunti kasi, yung ano namin, yung nature strip lang ang imomow ko. Ayoko na bumili ng malaking mower, no? So, hiram-hiram na lang. Ay, alam mo, excited na ako sa Sabado.
Bakit?
Parang may magandang topic tayo sa Sabado.
Siyempre sa Sabado, pag-uusapan pa ulit natin yung mga lamok, yung mga mosquito ni Papa Owen.
Siya nga pala, imbitahan ulit natin.
Ni Papa Owen na kailangan niyang i-share ulit sa atin. So, he will be gracing our program again, Papa Owell. We're looking forward to that. Tapos, syempre, alam mo naman pag kumpleto ang barkada, talagang masayang-masaya yan. Syempre, diba? Yan na naman yung mga super emote ni Bunso, yung mga feeling niya lagi, syempre pinaparigan, hindi naman, diba? Lagi makareact. At syempre, yung mga tanong ni Papa George, diba? Yung mga
matalinghaga. Pero ang gusto ko nito, because mga lamok nga to, lalo na yung Team Legit nakikinig dyan, makinig kayo sa Sabado. Maganda to. Kasi, we are tackling about, ano yung mga, 7 lamok ba yun? Sinabi niya?
8.
Mosquitoes
in our minds.
Yung mga nakaka-apekto sa atin, sa utak natin, na medyo konektado sa lifestyle, na akala natin tama, yun pala kailangan natin i-adjust ng konti para lang, di ba? Para lang medyo gumanda. Ay, tulad nung last time, di ba? Anong napag-usapan natin? Perfection. Expectation and perfectionist. Being perfectionist. Yeah. Kasi expectation, depende yan eh. Ang expectation kasi dapat na may measure. Hindi yung puro ka nag-expect yun naman pala, hindi mo kailangan ma-measure. Yun yung mga expectation na parang dreams. Iba yung dreams, iba yung expectation.
Unrealistic.
Oo. Dapat na may measure yan. Hindi pwede yung...
Especially, ang masama nito, yung expectations kasi na ginagawa pa natin is sa mga tao pang mahal natin.
Yun na nga.
Yun ang masama doon, diba? Yun nga yung sinasabi ni Papa Owell, okay lang na may expectation ka sa trabaho kasi part ng trabaho yan. Pero pag ang nangyari, pag ginawa mo na siya sa personal na buhay mo, ay nagkakaroon na ng problema.
Yes.
Lalo na kung ginagawa natin sa ating mga partners, sa ating mga asawa, sa ating mga anak. Yan.
Pero hindi depende kasi sa sinasabi ni Papa Owen niya, baka na over-expectation ka. Over. Lahat naman kasi ng sobra, masama. Pero okay lang naman na mag-expect ka. Depende sa capacity at ability nung taong i-expectan mo. Kayang-kaya niya, kailangan lang ng konting push. Diba? Yung mga, push.
And have plan B.
Oo, yan. Diba?
Dapat may plan B ka, Meryl. May plan B.
Meryl, yan, ikaw ang topic ni Mayora,
Oo, dapat may plan B. Ha? Ganon.
Yan ang sinasabi nga ni Menyang, yung kanyang kasama ngayon sa Dubai, na dapat meron kang plan B, meron kang plano sa buhay. Hindi ibig sabihin na medyo nadapa ka, Diba? It's a time na matuto ka, na tumayo, kahit, diba? We call it perseverance, diba?
Oo. Lahat naman tayo nadadapa, hindi naman ikaw lang.
Oo. Bakit may bisikleta ka na, hindi ka marunong bisikleta, siyempre natutuko mo na matumba.
Correct.
At this time, maghahanap nga tayo ng papa.
Very interesting.
Mga bugaw ni Meryl. Anyways, ayan,
insert ang papa.
Oo. Hopefully makatulong kami sa'yo, Meryl, ha? Imbitahan mo kami sa kasal nyo.
Kasal na agad, wala pa nga tayo nahahanap. Pag-dating game pa nga.
Ganun agad tayo. Ganun tayo ka-expectation.
Advance mag-isip si Papi.
Expectation. Hindi naman tayo perfectionist. Expectation lang. Hindi ba kaya? Kaya naman, di ba?
Tama.
Anyways, ang music natin ngayon sabi ko nga, every Tuesday, every radyo natin, meron tayong isang papatugtuging bamboo. Di ba?
Sige nga, yan. Okay. Gusto natin yan.
Para rin to kay Meryl?
Ay, love natin yan si Bamboo kasi.
Oo, kaya sige.
Bamboo.
Okay, bago tayo magpaalam, isang munang kanta mula kay Bamboo. Hinahanap-hanap kita.
face, Pilipinas. Boom!
Ayun. Hinahanap-hanap kita by Bamboo. Alright. Ang ganda naman dun. Parang I am finding you. Hindi, I'm looking.
Parang yung joke ng nakita ko sa mama ko, sabi niya, ano daw, i-translate daw sa English ang isang singsing at 3 hari. Alam mo kung ano ang translation? Aring king king king.
Ayos yun. Ang bago yun, ha? Ayos. Bago yun, Mayora.
Si Mama Emily, the best yan, mga joke na ganyan eh.
Doon ka pala nagmana talaga kay Mami.
At 3 hari. Aring king king king.
Ay, bago yun. Aring king 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 king. Matindi.
Ibang level, di ba?
Siya nga pala, may guest po kami.
Natawa ka ba doon?
May live stream din yun si Hermie ata mamaya-maya. So, good luck sa yung live stream, Hermie Lambert. So, hopefully makapanood kayo mamaya. But mayroon pa akong gagawin. Si Mrs. mo na manonood sa'yo. As usual. And, siya nga pala, Bibong! Ihanda ang boses sa Sabado kasi yung mga lamok natin, kumplituhin na. Ni Papa...
Papa
Owel. Maging guest uli natin si Papa Owel. Hopefully maging mahaba-haba uli ang ating mga usapan at ating mga interaksyon. And free po kayo na mag-comment. And also, yung hindi pa nakakapag-like sa Good Vibes Pilipinas Facebook page. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Bisyo na to! Diba? Good Vibes Pilipinas. Alright? So ayan, Mayora, magpapaalam na naman tayo. Hindi ko pa nasasabi ng ating mga sponsors. Kanina pa, ang dami natin pinagsasabi. Pero yung sponsors natin, ayan, no? Okay.
Sige, maraming pong salamat sa aming mga sponsors na walang sawang sumusuporta sa amin. Good Vibes Pilipinas, Filipino Aussie program here in 979 FM, Melton Community Radio. Kay Attorney Miranda ng Miranda Migration, maraming salamat. Sheila ng SD Property, Bernardine ng Mighty Finance, syempre nandiyan din si Boss MLB ng MLB Group of Companies, at syempre si Papa Mel ng Talier Auto. At sa aming mga sponsors, pwede na bang i-announce ang ating mga new sponsors?
Wag muna, baka madali tayo ni Papa ng 97.9. Kailangan mo na pirmado.
Sige, yung mga susunod na sponsors, malapit na. Pag napermahan na, sige, i-announce na ni Mayora yan. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama ninyo sa amin ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat kay Miss Hannah at kay Miss Lalaine. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Marami kaming natutunan. At sana po, tangkilikin po ninyo ang book ni Miss Hannah. Ayan. And of course, maraming salamat sa ating mga bagong followers, sa ating mga bagong likers, at syempre, sa ating mga bagong friends. Maraming salamat. Ito na naman po si Mayora Mayred Safra, nagsasabi at nagpapaalala na good vibes po lamang. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan, at sa ngalan po ng aming mga kasama na hindi naka-attend ngayon, sila Bibo, magpagupit ka, magpagaling ka Bibo, magpagupit ka na rin. And si Mai, tsaka si Papa George. Happy birthday again, Ate Marisa Vidal. Happy 18th birthday. Okay? And sa aking, for my hair and makeup, for my haircut, thank you very much dyan sa St. Albans. Maraming salamat po. At sa ngalan namin mga sponsors, ito po uli, si Papi Melvin, nagsasabing, good vibes, Pilipinas! Boom! Bye!
Breaking news, Explosions Bar and Bowl is now open. Explosions Bar and Bowl is located at 125 Bakery Square. It has 10 lanes for 10-pin bowling, 50 arcade games, a pool room, function facilities for all your party requirements for both kids and adults, a full functional bar together with a kitchen that will look after your appetite. Explosions Bar and Bowl is open every day from 10 a.m. till 8. Proud sponsor of 979 FM.
This is a 979 FM Community Diary.
Sons of the West is a free health program for men aged 18 and over. The program is delivered by Melton City Council in conjunction with the Western Bulldogs Community Foundation. Throughout the 10 weeks, participants will meet a range of experts who discuss topics related to physical and mental well-being. Along with lots of information provided each week, participants have the opportunity to put their runners on, get active and have some fun. Qualified professionals are on hand to ensure support is available for men of all fitness levels. The program is a great way for men to learn ways to improve their health, meet other men in the community and have some fun and a few laughs at the same time. Sons of the West is not really for fitness fanatics and sports stars. It's for all men to come together to learn tips and tricks to leading a healthier and more active lifestyle. Sons of the West is a free 10-week program commencing on Tuesday the 17th of March at Taylors Hill Community Centre, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m, and Thursday the 19th of March at Arnold's Creek Community Centre, 4:30 to 6:30 and 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. For more information or to enrol, please contact Leanne Christie at Melton City Council on 9747 7200.
The 979 FM Community Diary. Simply email details to communitydiary@979fm.com.au or post to PO Box 979 Melton, Victoria 3337.
Become a member or subscriber of 979 FM today by phoning 9747 0450 during business hours or phone 9747 8500 after hours. Support 979 FM today.
From pop to jazz, country to classical, you're listening to Real Variety, 979 FM.
With the most variety on the FM dial, this is 979 FM.